Storing a solar pool cover. Quick question. I've gone through 2 pool covers being damaged and burning from the glare of the sun. What can I do to protect my pool cover when I'm not using it on the pool to prevent this issue?
What kind of pool cover is it?
A solar pool cover.
Solar pool cover? I mean, I have a lot of customers, when they don't use it, they wrap it with a tarp. They just get a tarp that's long enough and then they'll just bungee cord it around. But the other thing is, I mean, I'm sure if you've had one for a while, you've realized how different things can cause damage and whatnot. But one thing that a lot of pool owners don't seem to understand is that if they shock the pool and they put the solar cover on, it will disintegrate it. I mean, it's not going to be immediately, but you do it a few times and the bubbles will start kind of just falling apart in the water. So that's just something else. As far as when it's in use, just make sure that's not right after you've shocked the pool. But other than that, if you're rolling it off the pool, I have some customers who have a tarp for it. Otherwise, I mean, you can store it as long as it's not in the sun or something. Sure what else to say.